Now is the time for our AI training. And I was really trying to think of something last night that would really be applicable to the trade shows. And after a trade show, Ashley will attest to this. Our entire team will attest to this. The hardest thing to do is get them back on the phone, get them back engaged. We talk to them, we sit down to them. They fill out reports with us at the show, and then we get back from the show and they disappear. And this can be in any type of follow-up. So I thought a good prompt to help you guys with is using ChatGPT to create your follow-up efforts. You want to spend your time doing the actual follow-up, not creating the follow-up. So let's let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. So the goal is to use ChatGPT to quickly put together my follow-up content and strategy so I can focus on the actual follow-up. That's what I'm hired to do. That's what I enjoy doing. I don't like writing all the content and strategy. All you're going to need is ChatGPT, and I'm going to warn you, this is a highly engineered prompt. If you think you want to write this down, forget it. As you know, a member, you can go to the recording of this in our Jam Academy, and in the description, you're going to be able to cut and paste it. I'm going to strongly recommend that. So the time and cost problem, you simply need to quickly develop your follow-up material so you can focus on the actual follow-up. Other ways you can use this, you can use it for trade shows, FAM tours, when you conduct a FAM tour, marketing trips, if you go on one, anytime you get a list of people that you need to set an appointment for, that's what I wrote this prompt for. Before, you're going to have to spend hours writing the content and stuff following up, and you're going to have to create a follow-up plan and put together a strategy. ChatGPT creates the content and directs the follow-up for you based on best practices of what we've seen, what ChatGPT can research, and so it puts it all together for you. Warning, this is a long prompt, so I'm going to really just kind of talk about what each of these sections does for you so that you don't have to do all the work. So as always, you always want to first set the scene. You're one of the world's leading experts in economic development, executive communication, business attraction, corporate site selection, relationship marketing, account-based marketing, behavioral psychology, and executive networking. Try to cover all the bases there. Your role is to serve as my executive business attraction relationship manager. Then you need to state the objective. So in this objective, I was simply telling it what I wanted to do. Your objective is not to sell my community. Your objective is not to convince companies to relocate. Your objective is to strengthen the relationship they began at the trade show and secure a 20 to 30 minute introductory. The rest of this supports what I want it to do. Then I basically want to give it a reference of you, about you, what profession are you in, what type of language, what do you like to talk about in these emails that captures interest. And you never want to pressure a company. So at the end, I put I never pressure companies. I never give sales presentations. I focus on building executive relationships that create long trust. Then I state the trade show. If you were doing something else, you would put that here instead. But this is a trade show. I said it's the IFT show. My campaign objective, I kept it singular. You always want to keep those types of things focused and razor sharp on what the outcome is to be. The only objective of every communication is to naturally secure a brief introductory discovery meeting. Once you have that meeting, all things can happen, but you've got to secure that meeting. State the objective. I put in follow-up execution timelines. I put in the way that it should present that, so it's an easy to follow format with timelines so that you know when to follow up. You don't have to think about it. In fact, if you want to pre-schedule some of these emails through your scheduling system, you could do that. Then continuing to state the objective with each touch point, explain why this timing is appropriate. I want ChatGPT to say, this is why I put together this strategy, so you understand not just what you're doing, but why you're doing it. Then follow-up execution timelines. For each touch point, what do I want to talk about? Direct desired outcome. So now you got to switch from telling them the objective to what you want the output to be. So basically, I wanted to create the following information and use placeholders so that I can substitute that in if I'm doing a mail merge, or if I just want to cut and paste this and insert it on a one-to-one basis if I have maybe 10 contacts to follow up. And so I wanted to come up with the execution timeline. I want to come up with email 1. I want to come up with LinkedIn connection request. I want to come up with a phone call script so I can follow that. Or if I have an intern or someone in my staff that I want to do this for me, it's a training session. Hey, follow up with these emails this way. Email number 2, in case you didn't engage. Email number 3, and then talk about the writing style. Then I want to talk about the direct and desired outcome. What do I want to happen? As it stated earlier, I want a discovery meeting request. And these are different ways that it could pose that in the email communications, the sequence strategy, and then the final output check. I've been adding this. I've added this into my engineer prompts and have really gotten much better responses. ChatGPT, in this whole time that it's developing this, it'll go back and double check and make sure that these parameters are met before it gives you a final output. And all of that seems like it would take a huge amount of time. As I said, this is a prompt you want to cut and paste yourself if you're wanting to do this. I'm going to say run this prompt, then I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to run it. So here is the best approach is to generate it in order as designed. Continue. So here it is. So here's the executive execution timeline. Gives you your days, when to run it, what to run it, and what the objective is and your call to action. Tells you why the cadence works. Gives you your first phone call. Gives you your emails. Here's your email and your copy. All you have to do is cut and paste that. It gives you your LinkedIn communications, and it gives you your phone scripts to share with your people. So gives you an entire sequence. I wrote it so that it is a max of 3 weeks from start to finish of doing that sequence. But if you'll employ this, either yourself or someone on your staff can easily conduct a campaign and focus your energy on acting on the campaign versus writing the entire campaign. And with that said, I always continue to blow my mind. I apologize again. My cursor was covering up the thing to say continue, so I did not see it. That's what was throwing me. If you see that, you just write continue and it'll write the program. So what you just accomplished in less than 10 minutes is, as I always say, less work, more impact. And my goal is to always have you maximize your efficiency through AI. It will not replace you. It will make you better. So enjoy. Hopefully that prompt can go to use in one of your ways. If you use it, send me an email, send me a chat. Let me know that you used it and how you used it and the outcome you came up with.